Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EA&Weather here with your Day 2 severe weather outlook. Before I start, I just want to let everybody know that this will be my last outlook video until next Wednesday. Alright, this is my last outlook video until Wednesday, July 29th. I'm going on vacation beginning tomorrow, and I'll be away until July 28th, which is next Tuesday. So my next outlook video will be Wednesday, July 29th, which is next Wednesday. Okay? So I'm going to see if XPC Convective Outlook can fill in for me for the date, for, the time I'm away. So, yeah. So again, this is my last outlook video until next Wednesday. Alright? Just so you all understand. So we have an enhanced risk for severe weather tomorrow, covering northeastern Kentucky, southeastern Ohio, most of West Virginia, northern Virginia, Washington, D.C., most of Maryland, all of Delaware, most of New Jersey, and most of Pennsylvania, including my area. Cities and tomorrow's enhanced include Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and Newark, New Jersey. There is a slight tomorrow covering southeastern Maryland, most of Virginia, southern West Virginia, northern North Carolina, northern Tennessee, most of Kentucky, southeastern Illinois, southeastern Indiana, parts of Ohio, northern Pennsylvania, northeastern New Jersey, much of New York State, including Long Island, western Connecticut, and southwestern Massachusetts. Cities in tomorrow's slight include New York, Columbus, Ohio, Nashville, Tennessee, Cleveland, Ohio, and Virginia Beach, Virginia. There are two dark green areas for tomorrow. The dark green areas are the marginals for tomorrow. The dark green are the marginal areas for tomorrow. Cities in tomorrow's marginals include Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Charlotte, North Carolina, Toledo, Ohio, and Fort Wayne, Indiana. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat, there is a 5% chance, chance of tornadoes tomorrow, covering parts of Kentucky, southeastern Ohio, northern and western West Virginia, as well as the parts of the Panhandle of West Virginia, northeastern Virginia, Washington, D.C., all of Maryland, all of Delaware, most of Pennsylvania, including my area, all of New Jersey, parts of New York State, including New York City, and the western half of Long Island, and far southwestern Connecticut. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area tomorrow include New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., and Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. There is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow, covering northeastern North Carolina, most of Virginia, much of West Virginia, north central Tennessee, parts of Kentucky, parts of Indiana, parts of Ohio, northwestern Pennsylvania, parts of New York State, including the eastern half of Long Island, pretty much most of Connecticut, western half of Massachusetts, far southwestern New Hampshire, and southwestern Vermont. The 2% tornado risk area tomorrow includes Columbus, Ohio, Boston, Massachusetts, Cleveland, Ohio, Virginia Beach, Virginia, and Cincinnati, Ohio. Going to tomorrow's wind threat now. There is a 45% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, covering northeastern Kentucky, parts of Ohio, most of West Virginia, northern Virginia, Washington, D.C., most of Maryland, all of Delaware, most of Pennsylvania, including my area, and most of New Jersey. The 45% wind risk area tomorrow includes Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and Newark, New Jersey. There is a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, covering far southeastern Maryland, parts of Virginia, southern West Virginia, far northern Tennessee, parts of Kentucky, parts of southeastern Indiana, parts of Ohio, northern Pennsylvania, northeastern New Jersey, and parts of New York State, including New York City and Long Island. Parts of Long Island, I should say, the western part of Long Island. The 30% wind risk area. Really? The 30% wind risk area tomorrow includes New York, New York, Columbus, Ohio, Cincinnati, Ohio, Louisville, Kentucky, and Jersey City, New Jersey. There is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, covering southeastern Virginia, northern North Carolina, northern Tennessee, southwestern Kentucky, southeastern Illinois, parts of Indiana, parts of Ohio, parts of lakes. I think this is Lake Erie, Lake Ontario. I think it's up here, or I'm not 100% sure, but it also encompasses whatever lake this is right here that I'm zeroing in on. Parts of New York State, far southwestern Massachusetts, western Connecticut, and central Long Island. The 15% wind risk area tomorrow includes Boston, Massachusetts, Nashville, Tennessee, Cleveland, Ohio, Virginia Beach, Virginia, and Raleigh, North Carolina. And there are two brown areas for tomorrow. The brown areas are the 5% wind risk areas. The 5% wind risk areas tomorrow include Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Charlotte, North Carolina, Toledo, Ohio, and Fort Wayne, Indiana. And now for tomorrow's hail threat, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow, covering southern Indiana, mostly Kentucky, southern half of Ohio, mostly West Virginia, northern Virginia, Washington, D.C., mostly Maryland, northern Delaware, western New Jersey, mostly Pennsylvania, including my area, and south central New York. The 15% hail risk area tomorrow includes Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Columbus, Ohio, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., and Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And there's a 5% hail risk tomorrow, covering a tiny bit of north central Tennessee, parts of Kentucky, southern Illinois, central Indiana, parts of Ohio, a little bit of Virginia, southern West Virginia, northwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern and far northeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Maryland, southern Delaware, parts of New Jersey, much of New York State, including New York City and Long Island, and western Connecticut. The 5% hail risk tomorrow includes New York, Cleveland, Ohio, Newark, New Jersey, Buffalo, New York, and Jersey City, New Jersey. In summary, numerous severe thunderstorms are expected across a broad region from the Ohio Valley into the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast on Tuesday. All severe hazards are possible, but slight damaging wind gusts should be the primary severe risk Tuesday afternoon into the nighttime hours. So, that is your day 2 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, no matter what risk you're in. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and again, this is my last video until next Wednesday. So, XBC Convective Outlook will probably be filling in for me during that period. So, again, I leave tomorrow and I come home next Tuesday. So anyway, stay safe tomorrow, and I will see you on the other side when I get back from vacation. Take care.